Hello, today we are doing another video. Shout out to Uncle Matt and Aunt Joe again. And I don't have the fridge in this video because it fell over when we went on vacation. And then now it's just all over the place, so she's organizing it right now.
Who's she?
My mom. My mom.
Mijn mom's call. My savings.
Double perfect grips. Obviously something I already have. Probably. My assumption. Yeah. Original sausage patties. Sorry, I'm not very organized with this. It's raining. No idea if we have it yet. I don't think we do. It's orange. Yeah, we do. It's right there. Nope. Turn around. Boom.
Okay.
Wow. Macaroni. Macaroni and cheese Sorry, Pancake. You don't look too happy. Look at her. Cooked lobster for the bajillionth time. This one's big. There it is. It starts with an O. Oats jar. The 5 billionth one, probably. I actually hadn't seen that one in a long time. And I already know what it is. Turmeric shot. And I'm gonna do another one faster though. Shout out to the same people, Uncle Matt and Aunt Joe. Pancake might go. I swear, if you knock the phone over and get it. Ow! Oh, I didn't even do the magnet.
What was the name of the last one?
That's ice cream. Ice cream. Do we already have it?
I think so.
The strawberry one?
Yep.
Okay. Duplicate. And some more vanilla jello. Vanilla jello. Hey, she can get on the screen if she wants. She can't knock everything over like Godzilla. Okay, I gotta speed run this. We got honey deli ham. Probably our longest video yet. Fresh milk. Strawberry jello. Fruit crack. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. I wish y'all could feel how heavy this is. To create the What does it create? It's a pudding. Again. Thing. Ow. Shucks. Wait, this will actually give us a chance because last time it turned out like it was trash.
We already redid the trash one.
We already did.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the first time we did it, there was like glue all over it. There's this stuff all over it. I'll probably just sell it. $20. I don't really get it though. Okay, well, anyways, see you in the next one. Peace.
Did you do your magnet?
Oh, I didn't do my magnet. Sorry. False alarm. False alarm. You don't have to close out the video yet. And just a picture. Okay, now you can close out the video. Peace.